When you have fractions and you need to multiply them, so let's say we have 2/3 multiplied by, let's say we've got 4/5. This is simply a matter of multiplying the two numerators together. So in this case, I've got 2 times 4 to make 8, and then 3 times 5 to make 15. And then just double check to see if you have got any factors so you can simplify the fraction. We don't have any for 8 and 15, so we'd leave that as it is. Let's try a slightly different one so that we can see what I'm talking about. So let's say we've got 6/7 times by 3/4. So I'd have 6 times the 3, the two numerators, to make 18. And then I'd have the 4 times by the 7 on the bottom there to make 28. And you can see this time I have indeed got two numbers that have got a common factor. The common factor happens only to be 2, but it doesn't matter. I can simplify my fraction. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, and of course 28 divided by 2 is 14. If you are faced with a division question, let's just take our original one. Let's go with 2/3, but this time we're going to divide by 4/5. We want to use a common method, which is to keep the first fraction as it is, flip the second fraction into what we call a reciprocal, but basically means turning it upside down, and then change the sign into a multiplication. Now we can follow our multiplication rule. So 2 times by the 5 for the numerator is 10. 3 times by the 4 is 12. And now again, we're looking to see if we've got any highest or any common factors. And the highest is again 2, as it happens. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 12 divided by 2 is 6.